template. So I want all the lines to fit into this groove right here. See it? See the groove?
Oh, wow.
Do they see it?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I want them all to be over this groove so I can just make a panel and put a little like rubber right here so it doesn't chafe through. And then put rubber on underneath it also. Is this the right one? Yeah. Look at that, dude. Didn't even really move. Now we can pull that through. So then look, now you get it. Put them all. No, you're good. You're good.
Oh. Yeah, so now they can all.
So now they can all go down.
This one's gonna stay out, right?
What?
Like this one just goes up top. It doesn't get. Any.
Yeah, it's not gonna be in there. So then all of them are gonna be like that. Yeah. So let me trim it again. How tall do you think you gotta be?
We'll cut it in like right here, just to be safe.
Where? Go right here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What?
I'm like going on an angle.
You're going down.
Look at that, I'll give myself a second chance. Ooh, buckets.
No switch?
I'm going for it. Just hammer down. Ooh!
Not buckets.
Okay, so how far are we over there?
Like extra?
Yeah.
Like here.
See, I'm thinking. Trying to be on that sketchy life. So this is gonna go.
Oh wait, actually, if it needs to be line up with these bolts right here, then this is like good.
Yeah, but
This is how long it has to be. What?
we're gonna put it there. Ah! How far over does that have to be?
What, is it too short?
Yeah, it's too short. I'm dead.
I don't think you can cut any.
No? How much we got?
It has to go.
Damn, brother! Well, what if we can go right there? Let me see. Please, Lord, baby Jesus. Alright, so
It's close.
Alrighty. How far over are you?
You're good. It's not, there's like a sliver that's not in, but you still got to the bolt in there.
What about now?
Now it's way covered.
Damn. What about now?
Nah, you're missing the bolt now.
How much? Man! Dude! Got too height! Alright, so I gotta figure out how to make that cut. So where is it? I gotta figure out now how to. Ooh, okay. Bolt there. I had a marker, where'd it go? No, where'd you put it?
I didn't touch it. It was
Big party boy.
the hood from the one that caught on fire, so it's burnt, but he just placed it over to make sure that a hood would fit. So now he knows that the carbon hood that he bought will fit properly.
Man, it's friggin' harder than I thought. See if that works. See if it does anything. One can only try, right? I feel like I'm back in school, like elementary school.
Art project.
Yeah. This is more annoying because I'm
Probably the most useful thing learned from school.
I'm running out of freaking cardboard. Okay, sorry, I cut a little more. Okay, you like that or a little more?
No, that's good.
Yeah.
Is that piece gonna be strong?
I think I can go a little farther down. Like tiny.
You want that to be that thin?
What?
That piece that's gonna hold it in?
It's just holding it from coming forward.
Okay.
What holds it down is the actual sitting in there. I think it's carbon fiber. It's supposed to be like a million times stronger than anything. And light. Alright. Kinda like that finish. Ooh, I like that. Alright. Okay. I like that. And it's all the way down on your side, right?
Yep. You got some room to play with too.
Lit. Here. Cat me up. Cat me up, cat me. Alrighty. Oh, frig, which one do we do?
The one that's connected. Hopefully.
You got the big brain. Ricky Smarts.
The carbon's gonna go together with that.
Yeah, just paint it. I'm like, wait, what? No, you didn't say that. That's what Yogi said. Yogi and Kevin were like, yeah, I just painted it. I'm like, dude, put it off.
Nah, when you pop a carbon hood and see carbon under there.
Yeah, it's just a fucking flex. It's like this.
Finishing touch.
Look at me. Alright. Better measured right, Andre.
Wrong way.
Better measured right, Andre.
Oh.
Damn, brother! What the frig?
Oh, look at that.
Hold
Better
up, dude.
measured right.
There we go.
Woo!
Alright, now swap. Swap spots. Now you're gonna get on that side.
Did that push down all the way?
Yeah. Oh.
Got you.
Dude, I would have been friggin' pissed.
What are you gonna use to cut the carbon?
Figure that out when I get there, brother. I'm thinking a wizard. Breathing all that good stuff. Let me just do that cut real quick. Just a gentle cut, nothing crazy.
Oh, so it's this that's pushing down
Yes.
on. That's why we're going
That's why
back
I'm gonna
and
put
forth.
a little piece of rubber right there,
Okay.
so it doesn't mess that up. And a rubber on the other side of the metal.
Or you can even go up a little bit, like if you have to.
Nah, I kind of want him to do something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Let's see how much that didn't do. Alright, we're getting there. Okay, let's cut this little dick off. Okay. And this goes out here. Dude, watch this cut. You're not even looking at it.
How? It's got the wide lens.
Dude, I'm a wide lens, alright? Come on. That don't got a wide lens. Dude, you're friggin' dinging me up here. Okay, we're getting there, boys. Now, how the fuck am I gonna do this? I gotta like feel where it turns over.
You have any type of like paint or something?
I'm gonna do the old finger job.
If you put paint on it and then you push this against it, it'll trace it for you.
I kind of traced it. Yo, finger, dude, these thumbs make push. Trust me.
If you mimic that line perfectly, it's gonna look so good.
Dude, that's the friggin' goal. Ooh, I'm not going that far. All right. Getting there. So that's pretty good. That just has to go down such a little tiny bit. This much. Ah, bud, you came at the perfect time.
Yeah?
Yeah. I want to get your opinion. That looks good. And then I'll just mark the bolts. Dude, that's awesome.
Small is gonna like bring it all together.
And the it's like that. It's in the groove still.
Too good. Just sounds badass. Sounds rowdy.
Oh, it's rowdy.
It's awesome.
So that's it for today's video. I'm sorry I didn't really create an outro during the video, but pretty much we just wanted to make sure that we were able to make that block off plate out of cardboard before I go ahead and order up a carbon sheet. I did order the carbon sheet. It should be here any day now. Once I get it in, I will post another video of me cutting that out, test fitting it. But that cardboard piece fits awesome. It's awesome that the E36 has that little spot where you can put a groove in, put it in the groove and put it down, and it would just block off that whole place. So I'm gonna cut a hole where I said I was, where the wiring is, just so I can still have some wiggle room there for all the wires, so I don't chafe any wires after just driving it all around. That is going to, voice crack, that is going to clean up the engine bay so much. Very excited for that to come in and for me to install it. It's gonna look so good. Carbon hood is still up in the air whenever it's coming in, but it is coming in, guys. We'll assure you that. So whenever it comes in, trust me, there's going to be a video as soon as it comes in of putting it on, because that's just gonna, to me, just complete the car so well, and just, I don't know, just gonna make it so much better. And that's it for today, guys' video. Next video, I'm gonna start wiring up the rest of the chassis harness, so just make sure all the lights work. So then this could be a full street car. I could drive it on the street everywhere. I want to try to use a factory turn signal stalk, and I want to get the reverse to work with the brakes all factory, how they would. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one, and just peace.